Have you ever felt stuck, not because you lacked the ability, but because doubt whispered, "What if I fail?" We all know that voice. Self-doubt is the silent dream killer. I've battled that voice too. I've questioned if I was good enough, smart enough, capable enough. But here's the truth, you don't have to let self-doubt hold you back. Today, I'll share 5 steps to overcome it, and finally take the leap. The first step is awareness. Don't ignore your doubt, identify it. The moment you name the fear, it starts losing its power. Replace destructive thoughts with constructive ones. Change "I can't do this" till "I'm learning how to do this." Your inner voice sets the stage for your actions. By reframing our thoughts and practicing self-compassion, we can break free from the harmful effects of negative self-talk and cultivate a healthier mindset. Many people get stuck in a cycle of inaction because they believe confidence is a prerequisite for starting something new. Don't wait for confidence to arrive before you move. Start small. Each tiny step creates momentum, and momentum builds belief. Confidence grows in encouraging environments. Surround yourself with people who remind you of your potential, not your limitations. Avoid naysayers. When I shared my dreams with people who believed in me, my doubt shrank. Find your encouragers. And if you don't have them yet, be your own. Doubt never fully disappears, but courage means moving despite it. The final step is action. Because the leap itself creates the confidence you've been waiting for. I was terrified before taking my leap, but once I did, I realized the fear was louder than the reality. Yours will be too. So here are your 5 steps. Recognize the doubt, avoid negative self-talk, take small steps, surround yourself with support, and take the leap anyway. Now it's your turn. What leap have you been holding back on? Take the first step today. Even a small action can change everything.